Hi, this is Cindy from Boise Creative Living. I'm ambitious to paint again. I found out there's an art center down in Show Low and they're doing an art show at the end of this month. So I'm going to be entering my alliums, the red onion painting, and my cactus nest painting in the art show. I think there's just ribbon prizes, but it kind of got me encouraged again. So I'm so encouraged, I'm going to paint another painting. I've got a 18 by 24. This is a photograph. It's not a real good print. Just didn't print real well in color. But it's enough for me to go by because I exaggerate the colors and I don't really have to go exactly by the photograph. But I thought this was really cool. This was from a mission down in San Antonio, Texas. So I printed it out. I have a software program for graphic design called CorelDRAW. And from when I open something in that program, I can modify it if I want. This one I sized to the 18 by 24 for my image size, and I printed it tiled. And that way you come out with multiple pages that you can tape together. Makes the whole thing. And there's carbon paper on the back side, which may be kind of hard to find nowadays. They used to use that in typewriters to make a copy of a letter as they typed. For all you youngsters that didn't know that. It's even called Old Town. As you can see, I got it at Goodwill. So keep your eyes open if you do find that, because it's not always easy to find. So I'm going to start by tracing this out. I've already gessoed 2 coats of gesso on my canvas. I painted it on with a foam brush and did it in 2 different directions, let it dry overnight each time, and then I gave it a light sanding. So it's a smooth enough surface. I don't mind painting on something a little bit of roughness to it. If you like a really smooth surface, you can get some neat effects that way too, so just put on more gesso and sand it in between coats and you can get a real smooth surface. So I'm going to trace using that. I'll trace my basic lines on there. I don't get too carried away, but I can make sure the basics outlines are in the right places. I also have a projector. Sometimes I use that to get my paintings traced onto the canvas, because I like to get straight to the painting part. I want to paint it. I don't want to draw it. If I want to draw, I'll draw. So yeah, you can, that's not cheating. All the great artists had ways of projecting and doing stuff like that. And I've also done things like with a square, if you can see the grid lines in clear plastic. And you can take that and put it over your picture, and then you can go square by square to make sure things are where you want them to be. Count how many squares you have here, and just kind of grid it out on your canvas, and you can duplicate something that way too. Just helps you have all your perspectives right and everything. Saves mistakes and repainting. So I'm going to get to work on this, and I will keep you posted. So if you like this, keep checking back if you want to see my progress. So I'll say bye for now from Cindy at Boise Creative Living. Keep watching.